fraction as an operator of. Here the two square are identical. Each shaded portion represent half of 1, half of 1. So both the shaded portions together will represent half of 2. Okay, if I combine the two shaded half parts, it will represent 1. So we say half of 2 is equals to 1, or you can write it as half into 2 equals to 1. Okay, next is, now we will consider 3 identical square and each shaded portion represent half of 1. Okay, now if I combine, so this half will make a full, that means 1 square, and it will remain here. So half of 3, you can write it as half into 3. Okay, so it is 3 by 2. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2, that means 1. If I convert it in mixed fraction, what it will be? 1 complete square, and next is half. This is 1 and this is half. Okay, now so far what we have discussed? We have discussed that how to represent fraction on a diagram, or how to interpret fraction from a diagram. Next, multiplication of whole by fraction. Next is representation of fractions multiplication. Next, we can consider of as multiplication. Okay, by using this we will start solving exercise 2.2. okay, now we will start solving exercise 2.2. First question is, which of the drawing A to D show some multiplication form is written, and you have to interpret and match with the option that is given. If we consider, that is 3 into 2 by 3. If you now see the diagrams, that is we can match this with this diagram, because here each circle is divided in 3 equal parts. Okay, so each of them, 2 part of it are shaded. How can I write it? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So 3 times I am doing. Okay, so we can write 3 into 2 by 3. You have to match this with the diagram that is given. Next is question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show this. This is a multiplication. What does it mean? It means 3 times multiplied 1 by 5 will give you 3 by 5. You have to the 3 diagrams given. You have to match from those diagrams which is showing this multiplication. Okay. Now, if you look at this diagram, you can see that one diagram is like this. So you can see from this diagram, it is divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and one of it is shaded. So I can write it as 1 by 5, and its result that is given, it is so 5 equal parts it is divided, and 3 of it are shaded. So that is 3 by 5. So that means 3 times we are multiplying 1 by 5. Next, question number 3, that says multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. So first you have to multiply. So this is 3 by 5. You know it is 21 and 5. This is multiplication you have done. Next you have to convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. How to convert into mixed fraction? You divide numerator by denominator. You divide numerator by denominator. So 5 4s are 20. It is 1 remainder. So whole number, that is quotient, you will write here, and the remainder will come in numerator, and denominator will remain the same. Okay. The question number 6 I will do for you. It is 5 by 2 into 6. So 6 is like this. So 5 into 6, 2 into 1. 5 6 are 30, 2 1s are 2. So 30 can be divisible by 2. It is 15. 15 is your answer. And your homework will be 3, 5, 7 and 9. Thank you.